Okay, so we have a leak right here. So this is done with a 90. I'm going to change this to 45. If I can. Cut that. I'll cut it. Cut it right there in the middle. And with the Milwaukee cutter. Makes life easier, hopefully. And for right now, we will cut this out. No mess. No mess. So, stick that on there like that. I gotta get some cleaner on it. Get some cleaner. Where's my cleaner? Cleaner. And we'll clean it up. Just had a leak at that 90, so I want to make sure these fittings are nice and clean. Prime them up. Right there. Let's see. So if I get that on there like so. Oh, jeez. Figures. Need channel locks to open it. All right, hold on. Okay. Channel locks. Oh, jeez, that puppy's on there. Oh, my Lord. Don't want anything dripping on the floor. Nothing dripping on the floor. Something I don't want. Because it's gonna drip. No matter what, it's gonna drip. Ooh, stinky. And we'll put this on there like this. Give her a twist. And there we go. Gotta twist it. Gotta twist it. Just trying to line it up. Right there. Gotta give it a twist. That should line up good. Got a nice piece of scrap PVC here. And we'll just cut it here. I like having PVC shear for service because I don't like making a mess. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna cut that pipe right there. Cut it a little high and we'll start there. I don't know what I'm doing. She looks off. She looks, oh yeah, look at that. Where'd that water come from? Oh, looks pretty good right there. I hate PVC. Hate it. Absolutely hate it. Absolutely hate PVC. That's good. We're going to do that. We're going to do that right there. We're going to do that. That works. Oh, that, what does that do, chef? No. There. Add some cleaner. Cleaning my mark off. There we go. That one's glued already. Primed. And we'll glue this one up. Glue this one up. Put in and twist. once you twist it, you get a nice bead around there. I don't know if you guys can see. But let that dry for a second. And then we'll get that glued up. There we go. And get some glue on here. Don't be shy. Glue on here. This one you can't really twist. Oh, this one you can. Oops, it doesn't want to go in the wall. There we go. Probably shouldn't do this, but I'm not a fucking plumber. Not a plumber. There we go. PVC repair done. Hold on a second. Okay, that one, not much to it. I haven't had much all day. That was just repairing a vent. The vent, instead of putting a 90 there on those furnaces or any kind of carrier 90 plus furnace, you should put 45s right off there. You should never put 90s. Just due to the fact there's more chance of gobs of water sitting there and flowing down that exhaust pipe and flooding out that inducer. An inducer only has small ports to manage the condensate, and if you get large amounts of condensate back, you'll run into pressure switch issues. So the condensate will overflow the drain, run in the inducer, and there is no drain on the inducer, so that inducer motor is supposed to eject the water out. If there's too much water in there, holy crap, that's a hawk. Too much water in there, it just won't eject it. It'll, my phone won't stop ringing, but it won't eject it, and you'll have pressure switch issues. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.